Few days after the army crackdown, Major Zia announced to the world the plight of East Bengal.
And once I was told about it, and having known the earlier background that the Pakistanis were out to kill our people, the civilian population and the Bengali army personnel, we had no other way but to take up arms and fight our way out. We captured the radio station at Chittagong on 27, and I had to go up in the air because I found the Pakistanis were concentrating very heavily in Chittagong, and they had started bringing in the 16th Division. As a last resort, I wanted to tell the world what was happening, and I went up the air in the evening and I made the declaration. Having heard me over the radio, the other regiments of East Bengal Regiment and the East Pakistan Rifle and the police force also, they revolted.
একটি গুরুত্বপূর্ণ ভাষণ শুনবেন।
State of Bangladesh, on behalf of our great national leader, the Supreme Commander of Bangladesh, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, do hereby proclaim the independence of Bangladesh. It is further proclaimed that Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is the sole leader of the elected representatives of 75 million people of Bangladesh. I therefore appeal on behalf of our great leader, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, to the government of all the democratic countries of the world, especially the big world powers and the neighboring countries, and to take effective steps to stop immediately the awful genocide that is being carried on by the army of occupation from Pakistan, to divert the legally elected representatives of the majority of the people, as secessionist is a cruel joke and contradiction in terms which should befool none. The guiding principle of a new step will be, first, neutrality, second, peace, and third, friendship to all and enmity to none. May Allah help us. Joy Bangla.